What's good, everybody? What's good? Hopefully you guys are doing well. So we're back to these live streams. I wouldn't say I took a break. No, I didn't take a break. It was just it's been a hectic last couple weeks. I think the last time we had a live stream was on the I think 11 days ago. Yeah, it's been a while. It's been some time back. Someone says good to have you back. Yeah, always here, always around on all platforms. How's it going? Everything's perfect. Good afternoon, Andrew. Hopefully you're doing perfectly fine. Exness, our trusted broker. Yes, you can see here. All right, there's a Exness has an app, right? It's a mobile Exness trader app, right? Make sure you guys download that. It's, you know, I pretty much feel, you know, it's quite easy to use, right? You can basically just conduct trading using the app. You know, you also have this platform where you can as well withdraw instantly right on the app. You don't really have to go log in on the site or whatever, that kind of thing. You can basically do that, right? So check it out. Check it out. It's an amazing platform. Really amazing. I use it most of the time as well. I have it. Just go download and check it out. All right. Don't have silly apps on your phones, right? Don't have all these silly apps. No. Okay. No need to have all these silly apps. All right. Just download the ones that actually bring money to you. Okay. If it doesn't bring money to you, why even keeping it in your phone, right? So make sure to download Exness app with the link in the description below. I'm sure you're gonna find it cool. You will find it cool. It's a really cool platform, really cool app. Trust me. Loud and clear, beautiful stuff. So I'm using a different mic today, guys. Just let me know what's the review about it. Does it sound good as always? So I don't have, like, you know, most days we have like we like in a plane. You know, we have all these big headsets in the head. I thought, well, let's just put in something really small. I haven't really put in you know, a mic that I need, right? I did order for a good mic, but it's taking some time to actually come through. But you know, we can still work with this. So let me know how's the sound so far today. Is it amazing? Is it audible enough? Is it good? Someone says, what's good, brother? Great sound, amazing stuff. Beautiful. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's just check out something here. Let's see, what do we have this week going on the markets. Okay, we have quite a number of things happening, all right, across different you know, currencies, which is important. This is something I do myself every time I'm getting into a new week, right? In case you guys are wondering, every time I'm getting into a new week, the first thing I do is look at the calendar, all right? Is to check, look, what's happening fundamentally, all right? Because at the end of the day, you don't want to be caught up, right? You don't want to be caught up. Oh, look, I didn't realize that there was news on the CAD, or I didn't realize there's, you know, CPI for NZD, right? Don't be caught up, okay? Make sure that you actually have an understanding of what's actually unfolding for the week. You can just easily do that by going to Forex Factory, right? So this is a platform here, you know, so we have, you know, Monday today. We don't have anything today, 22nd of January. This month, man, feels like it's flying. You guys realizing that? Feels like it's really flying. Oof. Crazy. This is like 2021. 22nd? Crazy. Man, I feel like it was just like yesterday when I had a birthday, and it feels like it's a month ago. Crazy. You know, yeah. Anyway, we have a couple of things happening with the yen, right? That's not my focus personally. I don't really trade yen these days. It's just, you know, yeah, there's a couple of things happening on the euro side. You know, these are important events. These are not the only events happening for this week. These are the most important events, right? These are like you know, the high impact events, the ones that are most impactful. Okay, I think one thing I'll be looking out for this week is to see to it that we understand what happens with you know, GDP for the dollar. There's GDP coming up for the dollar this week, right? It's quite an important release because this is going to be like a quarterly GDP. Okay, so we're trying to understand, okay, fine, what's going on this quarter in terms of the growth aspect of this economy, right? So numbers we posted, they're expecting, you know, not really, you know, they're not even expecting a significant change like growth wise. They're actually expecting that they shouldn't be much quarterly, right? But we'll see about that. Okay, you can correlate that with the numbers that happened for NFP last time, so you can just try and understand what next could happen, right? So anyway, because I don't really focus on all these other pairs, right? Normally what I do is this, I check out all these things, right? Check out all that, just leave the USD there, and there I have it, only USD assets. You know why? Because I'm mostly trading gold Gold won't be affected by, you know, the yen, you know, the NZD, whatever. No, it won't be affected by that, right? So mostly gold will be affected because it's coated with the dollar. So it's the dollar events, dollar news releases like this one. Okay, we have flash services rather on Wednesday, which is in a day from now. We have unemployment claims. Now, unemployment claims always happens every week on a Thursday. You guys know that, right? Yeah. I mean, if you don't make money during the week, at least you have like Thursday where you can just come back and be like, oh, I made money on, you know, this report. Quite interesting. Quite so interesting. Where have you been? I've been around. Sound is really good. Amazing. I think this mic is doing it. Yeah, but we're gonna buy something better. In fact, I already did. So we just need to, you know, just have it here and just plug it in and just, you know, work it out. Yeah, it should be good. Right, but this one so far I think is good. Do you still trade synthetics? No, I don't trade synthetics. You can't see synthetics here. You won't see them here. Okay, anyway, let's go to the charts. You know, gold is doing something. Oh, it's pushing down now in lower time frames. Oh, okay. First things first, right? We have this move here that was like the impulse move for last week. You guys saw that? Okay, the impulse move I'm talking about is pretty much like this move here. Okay, we had this downside move, impulse move. Markets were moving downside. It was an all-round downtrending week last week. All right, you can see this should have been on Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday, Monday we hit it. We didn't really hit a high, but we pushed up. You know, Tuesday we pushed down and created resistance, strong resistance right here. Okay, strong resistance. Markets came down, broke this low, created you know, a new low here. Okay, created support here. That wasn't really strong. Pushed markets a little bit up. Rejected on a Friday. Yeah, there's some sort of like exhaustion. Friday had a bit of some exhaustion here. And this exhaustion happened at a 61.8 Fib retracement level, which is quite interesting to see because, you know, you guys should know that sometimes when you see this happening, it may be that maybe markets are preparing to just, you know, I don't know, something like that. You know, if you look at it long term, probably, you know, it could be like markets maybe are preparing to just continue going downside. You know, because I mean, we had an impulse move downside. We had a, you know, pretty much this could be looked at as like a retracement, right? Like what's going on right here. Yeah, but anyway, we'll see what's happening. All right. So besides that, this is the daily time frame here. So daily time frame, the most important level of your focus could be this level, 2008. All right, very important level. This one here, very, very important. Right, if price breaks this level, definitely it's gonna push all the way to the downside. This should be like 1980, right? If price breaks this level, okay. But even if price doesn't break this level, all right, it could maybe break this high, okay. That means that you also have another level here, because you see, one thing I do personally, right? I get asked this a lot, okay. What time frames do you use? You know, tell me the time frames you use. Okay, look. All the time I'm trading, okay, I have this approach, okay, where I always want to understand the trend first. And the best way I understand the trend is by looking at higher time frames, okay? That's the best way you can understand the trend. Now, look at higher time frames, correlate your daily 4-hour time frames in terms of a trend, correlate that and come down to a 30 or 15 or 1 hour time frame and find confluences on those time frames that support what's happening on the daily time frame. All right, so find confluences on the 30, okay, find reasons. I don't know who's calling me. What the hell? Man, look, people, I'm busy with people here, man. Okay, we're discussing something that has to do with money. Okay, we'll call you later on. Okay, fine. Yeah, find reasons, okay, on the, you know, on the lower time frames that support what you've seen on a higher time frame. Because, you know, trust me, whatever is happening on daily time frame or 4-hour time frame, trust me, is the ultimate direction that the market is in. All right, if the market on a higher time frame is in a downtrend, when you come down to a lower time frame, find reasons on the lower time frame that support what's happening on the daily time frame and take trades only in the direction of that trend. This is the key, guys. This is something really important, and you need to really understand this. All right, because most of you guys just go like 1 minute time frame and trying to trade there. Now you can't do that. Market's going up. Oh, okay, nice. Why did you stop trading synthetics? I just stopped, no reason. Maybe I'll trade sometime. I just don't want to trade synthetics anymore. Right? It's almost like you asking, you know, why? Okay, it's fine. Okay, I don't want to be harsh today. I just want to be cool with you guys. Okay. Good afternoon, Mr. Nas. Good to hear you speak. Ready for the... Okay, amazing stuff. Amazing stuff. Good to know that you guys are learning here. Well, you can ask questions. You know, that's the whole idea of this live stream. It's not me only talking. You ask your questions. Most definitely, I always move with what you guys comment, because honestly, the whole idea behind these live streams is to help you on a on a consistent basis, right? I know it's a free platform, but I love to interact, to sort out your problems, bring clarity to your understanding. Okay, of course, bring education in the process, right? Because I know for a fact that, you know, whatever we discuss here is so educative. There's people who are charging crazy sums of money to gain access to this information, but I mean, you know, I feel like, look, if you guys can gain access to this, it maybe in some way can change your life, right? Anyway, at the same time, we have like a bootcamp coming up. All right, let me put up this here. If you want to just go take it further, an extra step, the bootcamp is happening, I think, in a couple of weeks. We should be closing up registration, I think, maybe like 2 weeks from now, if not a week or some days. Now, let me check that. We have like, I think, 8, if not 7 guys who signed up and just waiting for the day for the bootcamp. Man, look, whatever we're doing behind the scenes is going to be crazy for this bootcamp. It's really going to be crazy. Okay, we have like a week and some days to close up registration, right? So make sure link is in the description, right? Be part of this bootcamp if you want to. If nobody's pushing you, I mean, if you feel okay with the knowledge you're getting here, the education you're getting here, well, you're good. Okay, but if you feel like, look, I want to take it an extra mile, I want to come and meet you in person, I want to experience trading with you in person, I want to come and experience, you know, other traders who are also part of the bootcamp and just get to know more people, what they know, you know, get a different level of understanding, you know, be on a different level of mindset when you look at charts. The bootcamp is definitely it, right? Is there a way to always predict and catch new spikes? Yes, there is. You know the way? Lane fundamentals. Simple. You are really a genius. Oh, really? Appreciate that. Okay, daily time frame. Let's go down to maybe 4-hour time frame. Okay, so looking at the 4-hour time frame, you realize one thing here on the 4-hour time frame. Markets are currently rejecting. I actually spoke about this with the Signal platform earlier. Some guy posted a chart breakdown, because you know one thing about the Signal platform also is this, right? We might actually even have a window soon. Yeah, maybe on the 4th. We might have a window for the Signal platform, maybe on the 4th. But anyway, that's besides the point, right? So I saw a guy post a chart layout today, and he was asking, look, what do you think about it? And I told him, look, I think personally, if you were to ask me, I think gold is bearish. All right. Yeah, it might look like it's going up. Like this guy here says gold is going up. You know, gold is going up. Yeah, it's going up. Okay. But overall, gold is really bearish right now. Okay. You probably don't see it, you know, but if you look at this here, you realize that gold is really bearish. All right. Anyway, getting into it. Personally, I think I'll be more comfortable taking sells. This is it, guys. Listen here. I'll be more comfortable taking sells if price breaks this point. Okay, if price doesn't break this point, I'm not doing anything. Okay, if price doesn't break this point, I'm not doing anything. Okay, you know why? Because absolutely, this, if you look at it on the lower time frame, you'll see why I'm saying this. This is almost like a no trade zone. Okay, this is almost like a no trade zone. And I know some of you guys are already fighting the markets. You know, the week just got started and you're already fighting the markets. Like, you know, maybe you hit up, I don't know, maybe like 2 stop losses already, or, you know, whatever the case is. But this area here, okay, this space here between 2030 and 2020 is a no trade zone. That's like 100 points no trade zone. Why? Market's been a little bit rangy in there. If you looked at it, they've been a little rangy. All right, yeah, they've been a little rangy. And the fact that I mentioned, right, I spoke about this. Okay, don't say I didn't tell you. All right, because, you know, just don't say he didn't talk about this. All right, markets just were retracing here and just came to probably a significant level of a retracement area, which is 61.8, and there's a high probability that markets are going to turn to where? Well, look, man, we have almost like, this should be almost like, well, why is that happening though? Why is that happening? This is almost like maybe 200 points or something. Let's check it out. This should be 200 points. Okay, almost like 200 points. 160 points. It's good, right? So I think we should be waiting for that. Okay, if not, okay, you know, if not, you could be waiting maybe to see if price can break this level. Okay, if price can break this level, which if you had asked me in terms of probability, because I always tell you guys this, right? Trading is all about probabilities, right? It's all about weighing probabilities. Which one of the two probabilities has an advantage? Which one has, you know, has more confluences favoring it? Okay, which one has more confluences? You summarize trading made it so easy for me. Oh, okay, amazing. Good to hear that. That's the whole point. Even the guys learning how to trade for free, we have a free group. I've been teaching these guys for like, I think the past weeks now, and it's been amazing. It's been one day at a time. The guys are really learning crazy things, and we're having like day 6 tomorrow. We've done five. No, it's not like we're doing like every day a class. No, we're actually having like classes on different days. And honestly, I'm just sparing my time, just like I'm doing here, all for free, to just help out somebody, not knowing at some point I could help them, and you know, life changes for them. And sometime later in the future, be like, oh, that guy helped me. And I just enjoy doing that anyway, you know, nothing attached to it. Right, so, okay, fine. So wait to see if price can break this level. Forget about whatever time frame you'll be looking at that. Just wait for price to break this level. That's the best thing you can do. Trading in here is just total bullshit. It's just total nonsense at this point. Okay, you might be like, oh, okay, I'm being clever, you know, okay, you know, 1 minute up, 1 minute down, right? You don't only have a situation. You see this here? Okay, do you see what happened here? Okay, you see the situation here? You don't want this situation here. Okay, you want markets to just move smooth in your direction, and you get to make money. Easy as that. Very easy. Yeah. How often do you check DXY? I don't check DXY. I don't check DXY. How many screens do you have on your trading desk? I actually have only 2 screens. My laptop, this one, and I have this screen that I'm using to share my charts. I'm not those funny guys who have like 10 screens. Whatever they want to see, I don't know. I'm not against that anyway, man. Look, if you want to do your thing, just do it. Okay. I don't believe I need to have like 100 screens to just watch markets. No, I don't believe that. Okay. Whatever. Oh, this is too much volume here. I don't believe that, right? I personally feel like whatever I have here is enough. All right, but I mean, if you want to have like 100 screens, I don't know what you're trying to see in the markets, but man, it's all up to you. You trade gold only? No. Glad to see you back. Appreciate that. What's the pair on your chart, bro? Oh, you can't see. It's gold, man. It is gold. Okay. XAU USD. Too much volume. Why? Too much. Sound is crazy. Are the people in the free channel getting to make money already? Yeah, I have guys who make money already. Yeah, you can't join. No, you can't. You can't join. Nah, you can't. It's way past. You can't join. You can't. Okay, we just picked like 100 people, and I saw some guy, some retard. He left the group today. I think we'll replace him with one person. Right, whoever we're gonna replace that guy with will get all recordings for the classes we've done and get access to the platform. Yeah, I saw the group dropped to 99 members. Look, 99 members here. This guy is a retard. Like, you being given information, a platform like this, and you have the guts to leave? Being serious with your life? Oh, people just playing around. Okay, anyway. I'll probably let one of you guys in, right? I'll probably let one of you guys in. Just in case you... I'm going to let maybe just a beginner, right? Somebody who doesn't know anything about trading. I'll let you guys in. Probably one person. Right? Just to replace this guy who's not serious about what he wants. But this guy's making money already in this platform. You guys really make money. I'm just trying to find something. I was just literally showing these guys my first withdrawals over the weekend in here. My first withdrawal actually was like close to $100, $94 actually. First withdrawal, 2017. Yeah, 2017, some time back. Some of you guys didn't know about trading by then. Yeah, you didn't know about it. 2017. I actually started trading like late 2016, and my first withdrawal only came a year after that. You can imagine. But I understand. I was playing around with trading. I never thought it was real. I was just like, you know, just fugazi stuff, just back and forth and just on and off, like some of you guys do it, on and off. He doesn't know what is missing. Yeah, he doesn't know. Is a concept being used right now? Work on other market currency? Yeah, on other markets. Yes, it works. Replace him with me. Okay, I will replace him with you. You always keep it simple, straight and straightforward. Love this guy. Appreciate that. Mishak, I love you, man. Okay, no homo, but big shout out to you. You have the simplest way of explaining it. Appreciate that. Yeah, man, look, I always tell people trading should not be complicated. I always say this all the time. It should never be complicated. It should be kept as simple as possible. It's almost like getting into the jungle, right? Or just getting into a field or whatever. And you're going to hunt, okay? Maybe get in the bush and going to hunt. All right. Look, if we're going to hunt birds, okay, we're going to hunt down birds, you know. If I use a stone to hunt down a bird, and you use, let's say you use a gun to hunt down a bird, we're both doing the same thing. We're hunting down a bird. It's just that you are going about it the most expensive way, the most complicated way, and I am just going about it the simplest and cheapest way. Right? Man, look, we are both hunting down a bird. Okay, so end of the day, if we hunt it, we hunt it. You see these cells that we're anticipating here, they will happen. Of course, later on, some people will catch them, others will miss them. It could be buys or sells, whatever the case is, but I mean, we are projecting cells. They will happen, some will miss them, some will catch them. Whoever catches these cells, we did the same thing. We just basically all made money. Okay, if you are using Fibonacci, you're using RSI, you're using stochastic, you're using all this funny stuff, and you hunted down the same bird, well, all the best. And nobody should make you feel bad about the tools you're using for hunting down a bird. Sometimes, yeah, we might come out a little bit off, you know, for the sake of just, you know, yeah, like personally, I just do it for just whatever. Nothing superstitious. We might come a little bit hard, like, oh, you're trading like the banks, whatever. Now, look, if you are making money, you're making money. You're way different from a guy who just talks. And every now and then, he's just like, I know about Forex, you know, I know about Forex, but he doesn't make money. He's just talking. You make money with your bank system, whatever it is. Just use it. But I personally feel like most of us are not that smart, right? So what makes you think having a complicated style will save your trading? In most cases, you will get frustrated. Okay, you will get frustrated in a shorter space of time. In most cases, you will get frustrated. Okay, quicker than you think. You might be just 3 minutes in it and you will get frustrated. Why? Because the complicated style, you're gonna find it very hard to really master it. It's gonna take some time. Just like when I started 2016, I was trying to master Fibonacci, I was trying to master RSI, I was trying to master MACDs, I was trying to master, you know, stochastics. I was literally trying to master everything. All right. And you know what happened thereafter? I spent a lot of time not moving, not doing anything with my trading. Yeah, it's gonna happen the same way. If you think, well, maybe if you're lucky, if you're persistent, yeah, you're gonna be, you know, be hit here and there. But if you're persistent, maybe you're gonna make it with your complicated style. All right, Charlie sent me something here. It says embrace imperfection instead of stressing over every little detail. Yes, this is absolutely perfect. I love this, Charlie. He just sent me this, right? It's like a quote or something. Embrace imperfection. It doesn't really have to be perfect, right? But if it's working, it's working. All right. Don't stress over any little detail. Like, okay, fine. You know what? I need to know everything around TradingView. Look, I'm gonna be really honest with you guys, right? I've been trading for like 6 years now, almost 7 years. There are things on TradingView that I don't even know how they work because I've never gained interest in them. You know why? I make money already, so why am I stressing trying to figure out something? It's almost like you have a working style and you want to add on to your working style, like you already have a working strategy and you just want to, you know, amplify it and make it a whole lot better. Now, why is tracing? Why is tracing about all the details of it? Focus on what's important. Yeah. The beauty is in simplicity. Yes. Taking action is better than waiting for perfection. Yes. There are guys who just wait until Jesus comes. They'll be like, you know what? I'll never trade live. Even if I know I understand, even if this guy comes on a YouTube live stream and gives me reasons to trade live, I'll never open an account with Exodus. I'll wait until maybe, you know, I have at least 3 years experience. Oh, okay. All the best, uncle. All the best. All the best. The way you followed QBanks is the exact way I follow you. Oh, really? I haven't really followed QBanks as you think, really. You know, these guys who are really, you know, famous in the trading niche, and everybody knows about them. You have no option but to know about them. It's almost like the way most people in Zambia know Mr. Nas in the niche, right? So everywhere they hear about trading, they be like, "Do you know Mr. Nas?" And the guy says, "No." "Oh, do you even know about trading? You don't know Mr. Nas? You don't know him?" So it's almost like okay. Yeah. Okay, someone says unfollowing the trend is okay to only be looking at buys if it's an uptrend, or maybe if you go 30 minutes time from. Well, look, like I said earlier, right? Focus on the bigger picture. Bring whatever is in the bigger picture on the lower picture. Find reasons on the smaller picture to make executions. Like right now, okay, we can go on a 30 minutes time frame. We can be waiting for an entry confirmation. You see our entry confirmation, you can see it, right? Yes, you can see it, and you can see volume coming in for sales now. Yes, so we'll wait. If price can break this level, okay, we are going to get in sales. Simple, just simple, okay, on the lower time frame. But as for now, we're just watching charts, you know, just. And I think today I'll just focus on gold, guys. Okay, I'm not gonna look at anything else. I'll just focus on gold today. Yeah, it looks really delicious, you know, like we're gonna make some good money today. Looks like we're gonna make some good money today if we can get some volume. Let's see, do we have volume though? I think we're getting volume. Yeah, we should be getting volume. Ooh, yes, 100,000 is kicking in. Yes, so we're having volume now. Beautiful, amazing stuff. I love to see this. Yeah, I love to see this. So let's just see how candles print out like, and we can make some good money. And there's gonna be people who are gonna be like, "Oh, he said it, you know, but I didn't take the trade." All right, I love the sense of humor. I appreciate that. Appreciate it. What groups on Telegram are available to join? I'm only on the groups. I'm only on one. Yeah, you're only on one because that's the only group available for you to join. That's it. Yona, there's no other group available for you to join. Nothing else. Besides our main channel where I post out content. You guys checked it out already? All right, go check it out, man. Look, I actually posted something, I think a couple of days ago. All right, something that you might really be interested in. Okay, you guys, I know you're interested in this stuff, right? Go check it out. Right, look, I posted this video. Go listen to this guy speak. Done any educational video on the platform so far this year, and I hope you enjoyed this. This guy can talk. Yeah, but the beauty about this guy, he gives value. Yeah, he knows what he does. And he's making money too. Don't listen to anybody who's gonna make money. Right now, I have a look, guys. I have big money laying on my desk right now. You want me to show you? Let me show you. Cool stuff. Let's show you. I have a check. Right now, I just got this check, not from trading, no, okay, not from trading. Okay, I have a big check that's sitting on my desk right now, and it's not from trading, it's not. It's just from some other business, because you see, when you make money in trading, you put it in other businesses, you work things out, right? I'm not going to show you the amount, but if somebody's going to guess the actual amount, I'll go through the comments after this video, so meaning you have to post a comment in the, so let me hide this, okay? So let's hide this. Man, this is big money. It's just a paper here, but it's a lot of money. You guys see that? Ooh. 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 Look, man. No, it's not fake. This is an actual check. Look, already signed. And I just need to cash it out tomorrow. Simple. It doesn't bother me. I mean, it doesn't bother me. It's just like one of those things, you know. Don't listen to anybody who does not make money. If they just talk and talk and talk, and they're not making money, don't listen to them. Okay? Because making money is for smart people. You need to be smart. If you are dumb, if you are stupid, if you are slow, you can't make money. You need to be really jacked up fast and be really smart. Okay, so guess how much you guys think this is? How much you guys think this is? I just got this some couple minutes ago. Some other business I'm running, so we just need to cash this out tomorrow. It's profit. It's not a payment. It's profit. It's different, right? Payment is you're offering something that's already classified in value and somebody's paying to get it, but profit is you already invested and you're just getting returns from the investment. Isn't that beautiful? 500,000. Yeah. No. 25,000? Are you being serious? A check of 25,000? Are you really being serious? Are you being serious with it? So we went with my wife and we were just picking up this, and you know, I do business with my wife a lot. Yeah, we do business together. Even the platforms even the platforms here trading, we run them together. Yes. So sometimes it's my wife responding to you and you think it's me, but she's there responding to you. It's almost like me anyway, but yeah, it's just, I believe in working with people who are close to me, right? So anyway, someone's guessing $1 million, 300,000, 70,000, 28,000. No. It's nothing below 100,000. It's nothing below 100,000. Okay, anyway, who's your mentor, sir? No. I personally have had people I looked up to. You know a mentor? A mentor is somebody who grabbed you by the hand because you chose to hold his hand. Okay, so you went forward, chose to hold his hand, and he grabbed you by the hand. And every now and then, okay, every time you ask for something, at least he comes for you. Okay, every time you have an issue, at least every now and then he comes for you. You know, he's constantly with you. All right, that's a mentor, right? A mentor is somebody who's really always giving you guide on a consistent basis, right? It might not really be every day, okay? It might not really be every day. It might be every week. It might be every month. It might be quarterly. It might be timely, okay? But they grab your hand, show you something for the first time, and then they lift you, and then they keep on holding you until you start walking, right? And when you start walking, they let a hold of you, and they see you walking, be like, ooh, now he can walk. Okay, let him. He's walking because he's landed, right? So I didn't really have a person like that. You guys are privileged. You have people around who are teaching how to trade. We have a bootcamp. One of the ways you can learn how to trade. We have a lot of different platforms, right? And you guys are really privileged because there are people now who are teaching how to trade. When I started myself, yeah, there were guys teaching how to trade, but it was a bit expensive for me. At least the list I found people teaching was like Q Banks then was charging like the guy was charging like a thousand something USD. Man, I didn't even have $1 in my bank account by that time, so I couldn't afford that, right? You guys are privileged now. At least, you know, we have people who are teaching how to trade, at least even way affordable. Like my course is just like $200 or less, if not 250 or something like that, right? So I didn't have a person who held me by hand, okay? And holding by hand in literal sense, I mean somebody who's giving you consistent guide, all right? They introduce you to new things. You know, if you join a person's platform and the only thing they introduce you to are things you can find on Google, then, well, I mean, Google is your mentor, okay? So don't let them lie you. Google is actually your mentor. Okay, so if I can go on Google right now and be like, okay, Google, Google, okay, you know what? I want to find out something from Google. Okay, Forex trading. Okay, Forex trading. And I go on Google and Google says, how do I start Forex trading? And I'd be like, okay, Google, you know what? I want to find out that. Okay, learn about the Forex market, choose how you want to. Okay, this information I'm getting for the first time from Google. Google becomes my mentor. Okay, things and a way, a strategy, a way out of how, you can do something. Well, that's a person you can refer to as a mentor. So I didn't have that. I had people I look up to, right? And I would be very honest if at all, I would be wrong. There's nobody today that can come out and say they taught me how to trade. No, nobody, right? Because, I took time, I was experimenting. That's the reason why it took so long for me to really make money. You guys these days take just like 6 months, 3 months, a year, and you're making good money. You have good people, who are really giving information. Where do you check for volume? Just here on the platform, just on trading view. Chilembe Tembo. Okay, beautiful. Oh, let's like the video to show some appreciation. Yes, let's go. Let's like the video. That video helped me understand a lot. Ooh, you see this video? If you're not in the Telegram chat, okay, it's not really a chat, it's just a channel, right? If you're not in here, go check this platform out. Right, you're gonna learn a lot of things. Okay, just go check it out. Okay, there's a lot of information. I think I'll do another video soon. I just need 100 reactions to this one. Of course, I plan my work. Okay, I plan everything for you guys. I already have like a next thing I'm gonna do for you guys that you don't know about trading. So I will do it. Okay, I'm going to do a similar video like this one just to explain something really different that I know you struggle with. I know the things that people struggle with in trading because I've been through them as well. So go join this platform. You get a lot of valuable videos every now and then. Okay, especially this year. This year I'm going really hard. It might be my last year teaching, doing courses and, giving out information like this, but it might be the last year pretty much because next year I'm focusing on something different. I might even actually relocate or something like that. So I'm trying by all means this year to just intensify with, giving you guys value. So at the end of the day, at least somebody was there to help you and, you got helped. That's the beauty about it. Okay. Somebody says had a similar journey, but damn, it took a while for things to work out. Yeah. 10,000. Nah, it's not 10,000. 1.5 million. No. 750,000. 5 million. 150,000. 1 million. 10 million. Nah, it's not even 10 million. Man, it's not. The fact is, it's not 10 million. This is too much money. 10 million laying on a desk here? Are you being serious? I'm expecting gold to melt massive. Ooh. Did you see it here? And that's why you're saying it, Emmanuel? I see what you did. Ooh, I see what you did, my man. You're smart. You're really smart. You're really smart. Okay, maybe I'll look at one other pair, just one. Okay, besides gold, you guys tell me, what pair should I look at? Okay, you guys tell me. What pair should I look at? Tell me what pair should I look at? In fact, I think New York Station, let me do this, right? I'm dropping on. Is this thing still good? Are we still good here? It's dropping. Why? US 30. Okay. I think it's good. I think one thing I'm gonna do is let's do this. Let's go in here. Signal platform. Let's bring it up like that. This is our signal platform, right? So signals there, win, whatever, that kind of thing. Why is it showing like this though? Why? Okay, whatever, anyway, whatever. All right, so what I'm gonna do is that live trading, okay. Where is that? Something I'm looking for here. Okay, there we go. I can use this. I think I'm gonna go live trade with these guys during New York Station. Yeah, I think so. Let's do this. We'll be going live here today at, what time is this? Okay, let's say 16:20 New York Station. Okay, 16:20, which is absolutely New York Station. Okay, so 16:20 CAT for a live trading stream. Yes. Okay, let's just indicate that. Bang. Everybody is notified. I think they should be happy about that. So we're gonna be doing this. New York Station. Okay, New York Station. Beautiful. Okay, yeah, let's go live during that time. Okay, so I should be off this stream by maybe in a couple minutes. Yeah, maybe in a couple minutes. Somebody says Euro USD. No. US 30. Okay, US 30. I think let's look at US 30. 10,000 kwacha. No, it's not 10,000. With the right you can make it big. This industry, yeah, you can make it big with the right start. Maba, yeah, you can make it big for sure. Get mentorship, get the right education, you definitely can make it big. Right. Okay, let's look at US 30. Okay, US 30. There we go. So we have US 30 here. It looks like a very strong uptrend. That doesn't look like it's slowing down. Maybe it might slow down, maybe not. I wouldn't recommend trading US 30 like right now, okay? Because there isn't really clarity. All right, we just left this range situation, okay? Markets gave a new high. there's a high probability that probably markets can come down for retracement or can still continue going up. It's a 50-50 thing, right? It all comes down to how candles will form, all right? It all comes down to that. But I honestly wouldn't recommend trading US30, especially where it is here, okay? I know you really would want to, but you know, for the sake of me telling you not to, maybe just don't, okay? Nah, just don't. Okay, maybe short term. Let's look at short term, okay? Short term, we can be like, okay, fine. Okay, let's take out this, fine. We don't need this, right? How much is the bootcamp? I don't know. Just go check the link. There's a link, man, okay? Go click the link in the description. All details are right there. You keep asking how much? There's guys right now taking advantage of that. Okay, so I don't know. Just go check. There's a catalog somewhere. Just go check, you know? So we have a resistance here, short term. Maybe we have a support somewhere here. Okay, yeah. Maybe if we break support here, we can come down for maybe a move up to somewhere here. All right, but you know, because it's an uptrend, it's a strong uptrend, I would favor more buys than sells. Okay, yeah, because it's a strong uptrend, I would favor buys more than sells. So I think the best thing you can do is this, right? Just wait to see if price can break 37,980. Yeah, 980 is better, right? 37,980. Okay, 37,980. Yeah, I think that should be good. So probably you'll be looking at something like maybe you'll be looking at you know, going long, maybe like, ooh, not this. Don't put a stop loss like this. That's being really crazy. Okay, don't put a stop loss like that. Okay, so yeah, maybe, you know, and overall, because we don't have any reference on the left side, we use a psychology level, right? Of course, we have 38,000. Okay, yeah, is that 38,000? Yeah, 38,000. Okay, so what if markets are just trying to reverse around 38,000? Just what if? Okay, but if not, if they break this level, we should go all the way up. After 38,000, we have the next psychology level should be around like 38,100. Yeah, 38,100. 38,100 should be around, yeah, somewhere around where this level is. Yeah, somewhere here. Okay, so possibly we could push all the way to 38,100. Okay, possibly. Okay, that might take some time, yeah, but realistically, okay, just aim for your 1 to 3. Okay, your 1 to 3 will look like this. Okay, aim for 1 to 3. Your 1 to 3 could look like this. Hope I helped you out here. Because we are bullish, I don't think you should start fighting with the buyers right now. I don't think it's right that you start fighting with buyers now. They're still way too strong. Just wait to see if at all you can have a breakout here. Okay, wait and see if markets can break this level. If they can break that level, well and good. You can look for potential buys, which should happen during New York session, most definitely. Yeah. How do you not compare yourself to others? Well, man, look, I think if you understand life, right? The moment you were born into this world, there was no competition at that moment. You know, it was just you against the world. It was you fighting the new world you were introduced to, right? When you were a baby, you were born into the world. Your mom was not looking at you as a competitor, as a warrior fighting another person. You know, she was never even looking at you like, oh, you know, I think this guy is going to be raised to be a, you know, to compete against so and so, against these giants, against whatever. No. Right? The moment you were born into this world, all right, it was you against the world. It was not you against so and so, or you against a certain corporate, a certain company, a certain project, a certain person with a different mindset, whatever. It was you against you. Liberate yourself, okay? Don't go around searching for competition. Let competition come to you. That's pretty much what I live by personally, right? Don't go around searching for competition. Let people start competing with you even without you knowing about it. I have people who secretly compete with me. I like it that they compete. You know why I like it? It helps them become better, because there's just no way you compete with me and don't become better, right? There's just no way you'd be like, I think I want to do better than this guy and not become better. At least I'll tell you for a fact, anybody who stood and say they're competing against me, one way or the other, they became better in the process, right? Their life elevated, their life became a whole lot better. I added meaning to their life because of them competing with me, right? And I saw them doing even way better than me at that moment, and that was good, right? The moment you're born in this world, man, look, you were not brought into this world to compete against nobody, right? You were not brought here to go. Don't compare yourself to anybody. Okay, don't compare yourself to anybody. Don't be like, oh, you know what? I think me, no, it's you against the world. Okay, fight it. Fight how best you can set yourself free, how best you can set your family free, how best you can raise your kids in the right environment, how best you can secure a good space for your kids, and just, man, look, just fight that. Okay, especially if you're a man, right? I think life should be about that. It's just stupid that these days men are just fighting women, fighting for women, fighting for alcohol, drugs, and whatever. It's things that I'm not trying to say it's the wrong thing to do, right? If you smoke, if you drink, well, it's you. It's a vice. It's a vice you do. I mean, it's something you do, right? It comes down to maybe how crazy you take it, right? There's some guys who smoke their brains off and be like, oh, just smoking the whole week, just drinking the whole week, Then when you get to that point, you're stupid. Now you're a retard. Because everything that evolves with you is just some stupid stuff. All right. So, man, look, I think if you can take care of your family, if you can prioritize your family because you need to fight for them, they're not going to fight for themselves. You are the man. Be the man. Fight for your family. And that's it. That's what I did personally. That's what I do. Every day I wake up, I be like, I'm fighting for my family. Every time. All right. And in the process, fighting for them brings a lot of things, a lot of doors open. A lot of doors open just by you fighting for your family. Yeah. Check out gold. Ooh, okay. Let's check out gold. What's happening? Are we missing something? Hope not. Ooh, no, we are not. We're just getting close. Yes, we're getting close. I'll be ending this live stream soon, guys. I gave you ideas for the day. I just want to trade with my people in the Signal platform. I'll be going live with them soon. Yeah, we'll be opening up the Signal platform on the 4th. Okay, I think let's confirm 4th. I didn't even think we're going to open it up on the 4th, but I think we'll open up on the 4th of February to maybe, let's say, 20 people. Yeah, maybe 20 people. All right, so just get ready if you want to be part of that. Right now, it's not open. You can't join. It's just already existing members who are in it. Right, we have, I think, around like 90-something people on the platform. Yeah, crazy. People love the value they get, so they remain on the platform. Last week, we saw people make some good money. Really good money, really good money. So we have about like 96 people on the platform. 96. It's crazy. It's really crazy. Yeah, I love this candle I'm seeing here. All right, you see this candle? I love this candle because it's showing us some exhaustion. All right, and as soon as this candle can just break this level with a confirmed breakout, close of a candle on the 30 minutes time frame, well, man, look, just look for sales. Okay, just look for sales. I think you guys see how easy I make this thing, right? How easy I make it. It's just like we talk about it, it happens thereafter, and we just wait for it to happen and we just execute when it happens. Simple like that, right? If it's not happening, just keep waiting. Don't force it. I tell people one thing, let good trades come to you. Don't go looking for good trades, all right? Yeah, looking might be you trying to scratch every surface. That's you looking. I didn't say don't analyze. Yeah, analyze, right? When you are done analyzing, if it doesn't make sense that you make an execution at that moment, wait for the trade to come to you, right? Don't force it. When you force it, you blow your account. Most of you guys blow your account when you force it. Yeah. Anyway, you see this candle is going up. Nobody cares about it anyway. You're wise. Appreciate that. Okay. So I'm still waiting about the pro firm thing. Yeah, don't worry. I'll talk about that soon. Okay. I was just having a few challenges with it in the sense of, I had to redo a certain process. So I'll let you guys know anyway. I always do. Don't worry about that. Hopefully we got some value today. Right? Hopefully it was brilliant today. Hopefully we enjoyed today. Yeah, just quick live video. Live session rather, always important. I love doing this, right? I was off, I think, the last week and part of the other week. The whole last week we weren't here, but I'm back this whole week. I think we'll do lives even Wednesday. Come Wednesday, we're back here. All right, so you guys can actually get something from that, right? In the meantime, do me a favor, right? How many guys have accounts with Exodus? Who has an account with Exodus? If you don't have, right? If you don't have, go to, there's a link in the description, right? Go open your account. Trade with the best platform, okay? If you have any issues, as long as you open it with the link in the description, I personally will help out with whatever issues you have. But if you have any issues, As long as you open your account with the link in the description, I personally, all right, because what happens is that you attach to me and I get to obviously see, you know, whatever issues you're having. I can easily file out an issue to the back office about whatever issue you're having, right? It could be a technical error, it could be a withdrawal process, it could be a deposit issue, whatever the case is, right? Just make sure you go open up your account. Somebody says, yes, I have an account with Exness. I do beautiful stuff. If you don't have, go open your account. Stop trading with funny brokers. I always say this, stop it. Okay, and we don't talk about the platform if it's not good. Personally, I'll never do that. If it brings money to my table, yeah, money on the table. If it does that, I'll talk about it. But because it's a good platform, it should be a good platform, right? Smooth. I haven't seen a broker that's introduced mobile money here. Okay, not that I've seen. Yeah, maybe there's a few trying to compete now because they saw Exness do it, but I haven't really seen any that's really as good and quick as Exness is. Really quick, withdrawals really smooth. Go try it out, test the platform for yourself, experience it, right? They also have like a negative balance protection, right? So sometimes you're negative, your account won't blow up because of your marginal requirements, right? It's just gonna be closed off once it's exhausted based off the equity, right? So instead you are protected from that negative balance. At the same time, once as you blow your account with more than what you had, you're still protected from that, all right? It's not like you get a payback. If you have like a slip, okay, into a negative equity, you had like 1,000, you went negative 1,002, you don't have to like, oh, I need to pay back the 2. No, okay, there's nothing like that. You're protected from that negative balance running on your account from your equity, right? Okay, fine. Exness is the best. Yes, you see, I don't talk about it. Everybody just experiences, right? With working with Exness. Yeah, make sure you do. When is the meet and greet, Mr. Nas? It should be maybe February. Yeah, it should be maybe February. But we're planning on doing something big in March. There's something really big we're doing in March. It should be really crazy. Yeah, it's absolutely nice. Yes, make sure you do, right? Make sure you open up your account with Exness and experience the platform by yourself, okay? All right, guys, I'm out of here. Today was really quick. Let me just attend to a few things. And please watch the trades. We didn't trade live here. Mostly we don't. Okay, we do trade live, but sometimes we don't. But whatever we discuss here really happens thereafter. Right? Just watch, pay attention, be glued, take the right measures, execute rightly. Don't trade with your emotions. Make sure you take calculated risks. Okay, make sure you do that. I'll see you guys. Okay, on the next live stream, which should be on Wednesday. Right? Whoever guesses the actual amount that is on this. Okay, oh, I don't have to put it. Okay, fine. Guess the right amount. Go comment after the video is done. Guess the right amount or anything maybe close by 1 digit. Yeah, I think 1 digit is okay, right? I probably will, yeah, maybe do something for you. Maybe it could be some cash for you. Yeah, it could be some cash. Anyway, guys, I'm out of here. Peace out. Have a beautiful trading day and see you on Wednesday. Okay, I'll see you guys on Wednesday.